Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn money online, and today, I'll show you how to get started without needing your own website or a social media following. We'll sign up for an affiliate program with Vidic, a tool that helps YouTube creators grow their channels by providing insights and optimization tips to reach more viewers and build an audience faster. I'll also guide you through setting up a free blog on Medium, a platform that connects you to a large, built-in audience from day one. With Medium, you can leverage its traffic to get your affiliate link seen, clicked, and earning commissions. So, whether you're just starting in affiliate marketing or looking for a simple way to drive traffic, we'll cover every step. Let's jump in and start earning. We need to create an account on ChatGPT and a free account on Medium. It's simple. Just click Get Started, then choose Sign Up with Google. Click on Create Account, then select your interests. Click on Continue with a free account. We'll set up the profile name and bio, and update the profile picture. We'll use ChatGPT to create a strong name for the account and a clear bio. This way, when someone visits the account, it will look trustworthy, encouraging them to click on our blog and follow our link. I asked ChatGPT to write a name and a short bio for me, and to generate a prompt that I can use on Kindle, without specifying what kind of product I'm interested in or focusing on. Write about the kind of topic I should focus on. I'll be focusing on technology. We will copy the name and add it to our account. The name is Tech Pathfinder. Forgot to provide the bio for our account. Let's ask it about that and see what result we get. The bio it provided is too long. I think we should remove some parts to make it concise enough for our account. A shorter bio will help capture attention quickly and convey the main message effectively, ensuring visitors understand who we are at a glance. We will upload our picture and retrieve the prompt from ChatGPT. Then, we'll input that prompt into Kindle to generate our image. This process will allow us to create a visually appealing image based on the prompt provided, enhancing our account's overall presentation. We will delete this image and input our prompt to generate a new profile image. This new image will be created in just 2 seconds. Once it's generated, we'll upload it to our account and evaluate how it looks. This quick process allows us to refresh our profile and present a more appealing visual to our audience. We will download the image as a JPG file, and then upload it to our Medium profile. Our profile setup is complete. Now, we can start creating engaging blog posts and attract a global audience with strategic SEO techniques. By optimizing our content, we'll increase visibility and draw in readers from around the world. We'll add the name of our Medium profile to our affiliate program links. This way, readers of our blog will see a trusted source when they click on the links, increasing the likelihood that they'll feel confident in purchasing the product. Here, you'll need to add your PayPal email to easily receive your earnings. Each time a purchase is made through your link, you'll earn a commission directly to your account. Now, let's start by creating a basic, straightforward prompt about Vidic. Keep in mind, this is just a simple example for this video. To really stand out, it's important to be creative rather than just copy-pasting. Think of ways to add unique insights and value, which will make your content more engaging for readers. You can use ChatGPT to help generate ideas and inspiration, but focus on adding your own perspective. Then, copy your refined prompt or content into your Medium account to start building your affiliate income. With consistency and quality content, you'll be able to attract an audience and start seeing results from your affiliate links. The blog content is shaping up well, but the title could use a little more appeal to capture attention. We'll refine it to make it more attractive without directly mentioning Vidic, so that the affiliate aspect remains subtle and doesn't distract readers. Next, let's enhance the blog by adding an example about creating images using prompts. This can add valuable insights for readers. For visuals, Canva is an excellent resource. It offers a wide range of beautiful, professional images to choose from. This way, we can make our blog more visually engaging and informative, helping to retain reader interest. Remember, the right combination of content and visuals can really boost your blog's effectiveness and appeal. We'll start by copying the content from ChatGPT and adding it directly into our blog for quick and easy posting. We'll add our static affiliate link within the blog. To add our affiliate link to the blog, simply highlight the line of text where you want the link to appear. Next, click on the link icon in the toolbar, then paste your affiliate link into the input field that appears. This will insert the link directly into the text, allowing readers to click through easily. Now, let's focus on changing the title of our blog to make it more engaging and attractive for our readers. A compelling title can significantly increase click-through rates and entice more people to read our content. We will create an image using a prompt. Images can enhance our blog post by breaking up text and providing visual interest. To generate an image, we will input a well-crafted prompt into our chosen image creation tool. Let's go ahead and see the results of our prompt. The image generated doesn't quite convey the message we want. It lacks clarity and meaning. So let's head over to Canva to create an image that accurately describes SEO, search engine optimization. Now that we have our image ready, it's time to incorporate it into our blog. Let's upload the image to the appropriate section of our blog post, ensuring it complements the text and enhances the overall presentation. Once we've placed the image, we should take a moment to review the entire blog. This includes checking for readability, ensuring that our content flows smoothly, and confirming that all elements, including images and links, are functioning correctly. Finally, when we're satisfied with how everything looks, we can proceed to publish our blog. This will make it live and accessible online, allowing our audience to view and engage with our content. After publishing, we can share the link across our social media platforms to attract more readers. We will add a captivating topic to our blog to spark interest among our readers. Selecting a relevant and engaging topic is crucial, as it helps draw in an audience and encourages them to stay on our page. By showcasing trending or relevant themes, we not only make our blog more appealing but also improve its visibility in search engines. This can ultimately lead to higher traffic and engagement, boosting our blog's performance. Our blog is now published. Let's take a moment to review it and ensure everything is in order. This is a crucial step. By carefully checking our content, we can catch any mistakes or areas that may need improvement. If we notice anything that requires editing, it's easy to make changes. Most blogging platforms allow for quick edits, so we can refine our content even after it's live. Additionally, we'll check all the links in the blog to ensure they are functioning properly. Broken links can frustrate readers and hurt our credibility, so it's important to verify that every link leads to the intended destination. Let's discuss some valuable advice for succeeding in affiliate marketing, specifically using Medium to drive traffic to Vidic. Choose the right niche. It's crucial to select a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. This makes it easier to create engaging content on Medium. Research potential niches that have a demand for tools like Vidic, which helps YouTubers optimize their content and grow their channels. Build trust with your audience. Authenticity is key. Provide honest reviews and recommendations for Vidic. Share your own experiences and results using the tool, as this builds credibility. When your audience trusts your insights, they're more likely to click on your affiliate links. Create high-quality content. Focus on creating informative and engaging articles on Medium that highlight the benefits of Vidic. For example, you could write tutorials on how to use Vidic features effectively or share success stories of YouTubers who have benefited from it. High-quality content attracts readers and encourages them to explore your recommendations. Optimize for SEO. Medium has its own SEO practices. Use relevant keywords in your articles that potential Vidic users might search for. This helps increase your visibility on Medium and drives organic traffic to your content. Leverage Medium's features. Take advantage of Medium's features like tags, images, and embedded links. Use compelling visuals to enhance your articles, and include clear calls to action that encourage readers to check out Vidic through your affiliate link. Engage with your readers. Respond to comments and engage with readers who show interest in your articles. Building a community around your content increases the likelihood of driving traffic to Vidic. Track your performance. Monitor the performance of your Medium articles and affiliate links. Understanding which topics resonate with your audience helps you refine your content strategy and improve your results. In addition, this tool can help transform a blog written by AI into one that feels more human-written. I trust you understand how the process of affiliate marketing works.